Bueno, if I'm not wrong, you must be El Henry.
You make it sound like I would deny it.
I am El Bravo of Barrio Hotspur.
I am El Henry, the Prince of East Cheap.
La Jolla Playhouse has had a great reputation doing theater, site-specific theater without walls, and I think this is a great example of bringing theater to the community. Well, we're really excited to do El Henry here in the Silo and Makers Quarter here in the East Village in San Diego, because we're right in the middle of the city. There's city sounds, there's graffiti on the walls. This story is about loyalty, it's about family, it's about honor, and these are the same values and concepts that many Chicano gangs live and die for. As you well know, Shakespeare was performed outdoors, so this space lends itself perfectly for El Henry because it connects with the audience, it connects to the community, and especially this play I think is going to be a wonderful experience for patrons.
Don't think for a second you can share in my glory any longer. The kennel can't have two top dogs.
I agree. The time has come for one of us to die.
Mano a mano. No cohetes. Fileros only.
Timon, Timon. I'd hate to waste a precious bullet on you.